Hello everyone, I am Harshal Hadke, first year student in IIT Roorkee, branch Data Science and AI. In this video, we are going to write the program to find the sum of squares of common factors of two numbers. So, what are the factors of a number? So, factors of a number are the integers that can divide the number exactly without leaving a remainder. For example, if we take 12, then if we divide 12 by 1, we get 12. If we divide 12 by 2, we get 6. It means that there is no remainder remaining. Okay, so that numbers are called the factors of a number. So what are the common factors of two numbers? For example, if you want to find the common factors of 12 and 18. So we know that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 and 12. And similarly, common factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So in this, we can say the common are 1 is common between them, 2 is common, 3 is common, and 6 is common. So these are the common factors of 12 and 18.
So now in programming, to find the common factors of two numbers, we are using for loop and if loop, where number one and number two are the input given by the users. Integer I is running from 1 to number 1, which is its maximum value is number 1. So what will happen basically when number 1, if we choose number 1 as a 12, and the percentage size denotes what is the remainder. So if I is divisible by 1, as we know, it will show 12, so the remainder will be 0. Similarly, if I is, that is 12, is divisible by 5, the remainder is 2. As we all know, the remainder will be 2, so which is not equal to 0. So we are finding such I for which the number 1 and number 2 are divided, the remainder should be 0. We are finding such I. So this is how our final code will look like. So first line is include IO stream, and which means that it's an input output IO stream which contains functions like cout, cin, and data type like integers. So second line is namespace std, which is with which we can use the standard cout, cin without mentioning it in every line. So int main, then which contains the main body of our program or our code. And so if we see, we are defining in the number 1 and number 2 data types as an integers, and the a which is our will be the final output, which is also via integers. So if we take cout, then first we are asking user to input the first number, then we are asking user to input the second number. Then as you have seen, we are using our for loop, and it will repeat the process till I will reach its maximum value, which is number 1, and a will defined as sum of such all i's which satisfies this condition, as you can see. And at the end we are using cout, the sum of squares of all factors, which is a, as you can see here. And that's all. So this is how our final output will look like. And as we have taken number 1 and number 2 value as 12 and 18, we know the common factors of 12 and 18 are, that is 1, 2, 3, and 6. If you find the squares of all these numbers, it will be 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 36, so which in total will come equals to 50. So yeah, so we can see number 1 is 12, number 2 and 18, and sum of squares of common factors of them are 50. So this means our code is right. So that's all, and thank you for watching.